Is that good, baby?
This broken, you got no picture, no appraisal, no purchase price, no receipt, no nothing. Other than what somebody told you, someone who you can't name appraised it at 6 years ago. Is that a yes or is that a no? So you know where this conversation is going, right? You know where this conversation is going. I need something. I need something. Insurance company appraised thing. You know, I have to have something. I can't just take your word for it. You could say it's worth $6 grand. You could bring it in. I could look at it. I don't know. You could run it across the street somewhere. I just don't know that. It's the babies. The babies haven't been